How to fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can fix the NSFW content grayed out in Reddit. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to do this process, I'm actually going to open up my browser and just go to reddit.com, and you can see this type of interface. Suppose I tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, and then if I just go to settings, then I go to account settings. After I go to account settings on this specific page, if I scroll down here, you will be able to find the option called NSFW settings. So over here, I can just go to this option called profile from the top. And after I go to profile, if I just go to this option known as NSFW, and let's say that this setting is grayed out for some reason, what do you do in order to fix it? In order to fix it, just come to the very top and go to this option or this tab over here known as feed settings, right? So just tap the feed settings button. As you tap on feed settings, you want to make sure that this option is enabled at the very top, which is called show mature 18 plus content. After you make sure that this is enabled, you can simply come back to the profile tab over here. And now when you come to the profile tab, you will be able to see NSFW, and if you scroll to the right hand side, you will also be able to see the toggle. And now you can just go ahead and enable that toggle if you like. And this way you'll be able to fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.